The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Maximum flight altitude reached.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be telling you guys the steps to hack DJI MINI 3 from 15 meters to 500 meters. So in the previous two videos, you guys might have seen that the Dronehacks license and the Rainbow application and Litchi application were not working with the DJI MINI 3. So in this video, I'll be telling you guys the free steps that you can follow with your DJI MINI 3 to bypass the 15 meters limit on it. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video guys. So guys, to do this hack process, you would require a laptop, and in your laptop, it's mandatory to have a Dronehacks software. So to download the Dronehacks software, we have visited the dronehacks.com website, and here you have to click on the downloads, and here you will be able to see such kind of interface where you have to click on DJI. And here the website says that Dronehacks software is only supported on Linux and Windows 10. In fact, my machine is Windows 11 and it's working totally fine. So if you guys are using Windows 11, then also this software is going to work as it works on Windows 10. So when you scroll down in the green, you see the link to download the Windows 10 software. Once the software is completely downloaded on your laptop, then you have to open the Dronehacks software, and then you have to turn on your drone. And after the first beep that you hear after turning on your drone, you have to plug your cable to the drone and also the USB cable to the laptop. So after that, the drone will be connected to your software within 3 to 5 seconds. Once the drone is connected to your laptop, you will start seeing all the information of your drone on the Dronehacks software. So you have to click on hack parameters. So for this, you would not require any license. So no need to spend money to do this hack process, it's completely free. So here on the Dronehacks software, you also see that advanced parameter. You have to click on the advanced parameter, and here you have to search for the max. So when you search for the max, you'll see something called as max height. You have to click on that, and you have to change that 15 meters to 500 meters. Then you have to save the parameters. As soon as you do that, you can see that the bar has changed from 15 to 500. You can also set it to 120 meters or 200 meters, 250 meters. Whatever height you desire, you can set it to that height. Repeating again guys, for this we don't require any license. We can do it directly through the Dronehacks desktop software. So now I'll be changing it to 500 meters, and after that I'll be hitting on save parameters. Once that is done, you have to click on write parameters. Once you're done with that, in the black terminal you see that all change parameters has been applied. So guys, after doing these steps, your drone will be ready to fly more than 15 meters. So now we will be flying our drone more than 15 meters at the max altitude of 500 meters, and then we'll also be testing the quick shot, that is a wide angle, and also we will be testing the return to home. Now you can see that our drone is getting connected to the DJI Fly app, and when I click on go fly and when I look at the max altitude has been changed from 15 meters to 500 meters. So guys, now we are able to fly our DJI MINI 3 from 15 meters to 500 meters. So as you can see on the screen, our height has exceeded 15 meters. That means hack has been applied properly and we are able to fly more than 15 meters. So guys, this is the only method that is available for the time being for DJI MINI 3. We don't have any alternative method which is more portable from this method. So we will not be able to use Rainbow application, Litchi application or DH companion. Even the Dronehack license is not working with the DJI MINI 3. Hopefully by the next month, Dronehacks will come up with the license for DJI MINI 3 and we will be able to use DH companion. So when the Dronehacks comes up with the license for DJI MINI 3, for surely I am going to make a video on it. I'll be uploading on this channel and giving you guys an update. So on the screen now you can see that we have reached the max altitude, that is 500 meters with our DJI MINI 3. I hope with this you guys have got a confirmation that DJI MINI 3 can fly up to 500 meters with this particular method. So now let's quickly use the
maximum flight
wide angle mode or any quick shot so that you guys can get the assurity that even the quick shots are working fine. So in the max altitude you can see that still we have the 500 meters and We'll not try the RTH now, we will try the quick shots. So let me go to the pano mode and wide angle shot. So guys, this hack has to be applied every time when you fly. If you guys keep your DJI flap open for a long time, and if you turn on or turn off your drone, that does not matter. Your DJI flap should be open. Whenever you close your DJI flap and reopen, you have to apply this hack again. So as you guys saw that the quick shot, that is wide angle photo mode, is working fine, and now I have clicked on auto RTH. Hopefully our drone comes back to the same place as it has takeoff. Meantime, our drone is traveling back to the home point. Let me tell you guys that this hack is the only method that is available for DJI Mini 3, and we don't have any other alternative solution. I know that this is bit hasty method. We cannot carry our laptop everywhere to do this hack process, but for the time being we only have this method, and I'll surely try to find the alternatives to hack DJI Mini 3 which is more portable than this method, and you guys will enjoy the steps. So guys, you guys might be looking at the map and you might be thinking that drone is hovering somewhere else from the home point. So that's not the case. I was manually controlling it because there were many birds and I wanted to save the drone from the birds. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.